When labeling right triangles, it's important to find the right angle first. Once you find the right angle, the side opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse, no matter which direction the right triangle is oriented. Once you do that, then you can find the reference angle. The reference angle is an angle that's marked in the triangle with a symbol, or in this case, it's just being highlighted here in red. So we find our reference angle with the arc in it, and we draw an arrow to the side opposite of that reference angle. And we write an O, or opposite, on that side. The last side in the right triangle is the adjacent side. Remember that adjacent means next to. It should be the angle that is next to the reference, or the side that is next to the reference angle that is not the hypotenuse. So when you look at the reference angle, one side of the reference angle is always the hypotenuse. The other side is the adjacent side, which we label with an A or the word adjacent. Down below, we're going to practice labeling each of these triangles. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is find the hypotenuse. So I'm going to find my right angle, and opposite the right angle, I'm going to write a hypotenuse, or hype. Then I'm going to look for a reference angle. In this case, it's in my question. Angle A is my reference angle, which means that I'm going to draw an arc in angle A. Then I can find the side opposite of angle A and label it opposite. And the last side of this triangle is next to angle A, and that is my adjacent side. In number 2, it looks similar, but the difference is that the reference angle is labeled slightly differently. Instead of writing hype for hypotenuse, this time I'm just going to put an H. Next, when I find my reference angle, this reference angle isn't in my question, but if the triangle is not labeled, any measured angle in my diagram can act as my reference angle. So this reference angle points to its opposite side, and then again, the last side is adjacent. Three and 4 are there for you to practice. If you're looking to check your answers, here's your hypotenuse. This time angle B is my reference angle, so here is my opposite side. And my last side is adjacent, next to angle B. In number 4, here is my hypotenuse, my opposite side, and the adjacent side.